Just heard some thunder. Oh, my storage is low. Hopefully something interesting happens before this stops recording. Well, wow. It's just weird. Just weird. Wow, I love that. It's like spider webs, but they're tree branches. I love that tree. Come on. Oh. I want to see some lightning. Hopefully it doesn't hit me though. I think you heard that. Oh. I wonder where the lightning's gonna be. How's the sun? Thunder. Closer together the lightning and thunder are, the closer it is to you. I don't see any lightning. I haven't seen it. Tell me if you saw it. Maybe I was looking around because I'm walking backwards, or I was looking in the wrong direction, but didn't see the lightning yet, which is weird. I don't normally get thunder and no lightning, and it's just barely, like, not falling very hard. Pretty crazy though. Wow. Anyways, I'm sorry. Yes, it's just interesting. It's really, really weird, bizarre.